1.3 Trees are the kindest things I know. 1.3 Trees are the kindest things I know. Warming up. Chit-chat. 1. When do you receive gifts? Answer: on my birthday. 2. Do you like to give gift? Answer: yes, I do. 3. From whom do you get gift? Answer: from my parents, friends and relatives. 4. What is the best gift that you have ever received? Answer: a book, Constitution of India. 5. Why is it special for you? Answer: because it is given to me by my mother, who is no more now. 1. What gifts do trees give to mankind? Answer: tasty fruits to eat, shade to rest, fuel for cooking, vegetables, oxygen for us to breathe, wood for furniture, and various medicine. 2a. Name two parts of a tree that begin with B. Branches. Bark. F. Flowers. Fruits. T. Trunk. Twigs. B. In most countries in the northern hemisphere, there are four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Try to guess what is the season in the months given below. 1. March, April, May, autumn season. 2. June, July, August, winter season. 3. September, October, November, spring season. 4. December, January, February, summer season. 3. An artist paints pictures using colors. A poet writer can also paint pictures in your mind imagination by using descriptive phrases. For example, blue sky, soft white cloud, floating clouds, etc. Write down four such phrases which describe anything beautiful in nature. 1. Singing waterfall, singing stream, shining sun, flying butterfly. English workshop. 1. Pick from the poem words that rhyme with the following words. A. Fun. Burn. Begun. B. No. No. Grow. C. Now. Cow. Bow. D. Sight. Light. Night. E. Fly. Sky. Lullaby. 2. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. A. And in the spring, new buds of green. B. And gather birds among their boughs. C. To touch the beams of morning sun. D. When evening changes into night. E. And when a moon floats on the sky. 3. The poet refers to trees as the kindest things. From the poem, pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of trees towards others. 1. They do not harm. 2. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. 3. Provide shelter to the birds. 4. They give us fruit 5. They hum a drowsy lullaby. 4. Find words that describe the following. 1. Sleepy cows. 2. Green new birds. 3. Morning sun. 4. Drowsy lullaby. 5. Kindest trees. 5. Pick out lines that mean the following. 1. Trees provide shelter for animals and spread a shadow for sleepy cows. 2. Trees provide food for all. They give us fruits. 3. Trees are most lovable. Trees are the kindest thing. 4. Kids love to listen to songs from trees. They hum a drowsy lullaby. 5. Trees live a simple life. They do not harm, they simply grow. 6. Think and write in your own words. 1. What living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. Answer. Human beings, tigers, dogs, lions, snakes. 2. Why are trees called harmless? Answer. Trees are called harmless because they do not cause any loss or injury to others. Trees are neither ambitious nor jealous, so the trees never quarrel for supremacy. 3. Halloween is a festival celebrated in many Western countries on 31st October. What is the season there? Why do you think is there a need to burn leaves on Halloween? Answer. Halloween is celebrated in the end of harvest season and first day of winter season. The leaves are burnt to set bonfire as it is deemed that smoke and ashes have cleansing power and also used for divination.